What's up, everyone? Today, we're not just reviewing gear. We're looking at the ultimate tools of preparedness. For a long time, the most advanced tactical equipment was reserved for a select few. But in 2025, that technology is more accessible than ever, blending professional-grade performance with cutting-edge innovation. In this video, we're going to break down the ultimate survival and tactical gear you can get right now, everything from night vision to specialized weapons accessories and life-saving tools. These are the gadgets that give you the edge when it matters most. Let's get into the list. Number 1. Night vision goggles. Starting with a gadget that feels straight out of a special ops movie, night vision goggles. These aren't just for looking cool. They are a vital tool for security, wildlife observation, or navigating in complete darkness. These goggles give you outstanding optical clarity with a powerful 850 nm infrared illuminator, allowing you to see animals and objects clearly in pitch-black conditions. But the real feature is the 4K HD video and 36 megapixel photo capture. You can record your experience and save it to the included memory card. With a large 3-inch screen and 5x digital zoom, you get a clear, full field of view for surveillance or just enjoying nature after dark. Number 2. Feyachi 1500 LM Pistol Light. When situational awareness is critical, a high-performance weapon light is essential. The Feyachi 1500 LM Pistol Light is a compact powerhouse that delivers incredible brightness. It puts out a brilliant 1500 lumens with an optical lens that focuses the beam to a distance of 200 to 300 meters. It's built from aerospace aluminum and is both wear-resistant and corrosion-resistant. What's smart about this is its dual mode switching. You can choose between a constant on mode or a momentary mode for a quick burst of light. It's universally compatible with most rail-equipped handguns, making it a versatile addition to your tactical setup. Number 3. Olight PL Turbo Weapon Light. For a weapon light that is all about long-range performance, you need to see the Olight PL Turbo. This light is designed for extreme throw. While lumens tell you the total light output, candela tells you the light intensity and how far it can reach. This light has a massive 66,300 candela and a max throw of 515 meters. The design is unique, offering an intense spotlight and a wide floodlight at the same time, so you can see a distant target while still being aware of your close surroundings. It's built tough with anodized aluminum and a screw locking mechanism for a secure attachment, so you know it's not going anywhere. Number 4. Feyachi Reflex Sight. This next piece of gear is about rapid target acquisition and precision. The Feyachi Reflex Sight gives you a wide field of view to maintain your situational awareness. It features 4 different styles of reticles, so you can choose the right one for your preference, whether it's a simple dot or a crosshair. What makes it smart is that it's parallax corrected and has unlimited eye relief. In simple terms, this means that where the dot is, so is your point of impact, regardless of how you're looking through the sight. It's also ultralight, waterproof, and shockproof, making it a reliable addition to your gear. Number 5. Power Practical Luminoodle Under Cabinet Lighting. This might seem like an odd one for a tactical list, but hear me out. The Power Practical Luminoodle is a game changer for survival and tactical kits. This 3-foot, battery-powered LED strip provides brilliant, warm light without needing a wall outlet. Think about it, it's perfect for lighting up the inside of a tent, a vehicle's interior, or a storage cabinet in a survival bunker. It sticks easily to any surface and has a simple on/off button. It's a discreet, minimalist, and incredibly practical lighting solution for any low-power or off-grid scenario. Number 6. Titan Survival Patented Paracord 550. Paracord is a survival staple, but this isn't your average cord. The Titan Survival Paracord 550 is a patented military-grade cord that was designed in collaboration with U.S. Special Forces. It's an all-in-one survival tool. The core of this paracord contains not 1, but 3 integrated survival strands, a monofilament fishing line, a metallic alloy utility wire, and a twisted jute fiber for starting fires. The fire starter strand is even imbued with paraffin, so it will ignite quickly even in pouring rain. This is the ultimate piece of cordage for any outdoor or survival situation. Number 7. 1 Edigris chest rig. Organization is key to efficiency in the field. The 1 Edigris chest rig is a lightweight and reliable way to carry your essential gear. It's made of tough 500D Cordura nylon and weighs only 18 ounces, so it won't weigh you down. It's designed with a large capacity, featuring multiple built-in pouches and an extensive mall-compatible webbing system on the front and shoulders. This allows you to customize and attach your accessories and gear exactly where you need them for quick access, making it a functional and adaptable piece of kit. Number 8. SOG 3-pack throwing knives with sheath. Whether for sport, hobby, or a professional skill, a well-balanced throwing knife is a great tool to have. This SOG 3-pack is designed for superior performance. Each knife features a full tang stainless steel construction, which means the blade and handle are a single piece of steel, making them incredibly durable. They are perfectly balanced for throwing and come with a ballistic nylon sheath that keeps them secure and easily accessible. SOG has a reputation for crafting professional-grade gear, and these knives are no exception. Number 9. Adventure Medical Kit's Quick Clot Gauze. In an emergency, fast-acting first aid can be the difference between life and death. The Adventure Medical Kit's Quick Clot Gauze is a military-grade essential for any survival kit. This hemostatic gauze is infused with a safe, non-allergenic mineral called kaolin, which works to rapidly accelerate your body's natural clotting process. It's flexible and pliable, so it can be used on a variety of wounds, and it's trusted by professionals for rapid bleeding control in critical situations. Number 10. Vortex Optics Solo Monocular. Finally, situational awareness isn't just about what's in front of you. The Vortex Optics Solo Monocular gives you a clear view of your distant surroundings. With 10x magnification and a 25mm objective lens, this compact monocular brings distant objects into sharp focus. It's built tough with a rubber armor for a non-slip grip, and it's nitrogen purged and O-ring sealed, making it waterproof and fog-proof in any environment. For anyone who needs to scout ahead or get a closer look at something on the horizon, this monocular is a critical piece of gear. So there you have it, some of the coolest and smartest tactical gear you can get right now. Whether you're a professional, an enthusiast, or a prepper, these gadgets are about giving you an advantage. Which one of these would you add to your kit? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more gear reviews. Thanks for watching and stay ready for anything!